Hey, you did it. You made it through the entire foundations course. Now let's look back at everything what you learned so far before we move forward and build interesting things. In lesson 1, you learned what electricity really is, tiny particles called electrons moving through a wire, and how conductors let electricity flow while insulators block it. In lesson 2, you learned about safety, why we should only use batteries, keeping water away, and you even learned 5 different rules that will follow with every project from here on out. In lesson 3, you learned about voltage, current, and resistance, the push and flow, and the slowdown of electrons using a garden hose to picture it. In lesson 4, you learned about batteries, how they actually work, how the plus and minus ends matter, and now you even built your own very first battery. That's a lot of real science: atoms, electrons, voltage, current, resistance, and batteries. Now you may know more about electricity than most adults ever stop to learn. Nice work. Next up is a brand new course called Components 1. This is where things get really hands-on. You'll get to work with real batteries, wires, LEDs, and resistors and start building your very first circuits. Grab your hat and I'll see you in the next course.